Whoa now. Don't expect robots to completely eliminate the workforce. Now here's the robots right here in red working, all right? Working at a station. But robots are expensive. Robots need maintenance. And robots break down. And also, for instance, say, okay, you've got this fellow here working at this station with a robot. Now you want another, you go over to another station and do a different job on the other side over here. You've got to move this robot over there. You've got to reprogram the robot. You've got to wire the robot up, and then you've got to retool the robot. Whereas this worker here, you say, hey, go on over here and work on this station doing this function. Okay? He's here working with a hammer, supposedly. This other station he's going to work at, he's going to work with a screwdriver. So he just puts down the hammer, walks over to the other station, and picks up the screwdriver and goes to work. Whereas if you're solely dependent on robots, you've got to deactivate this robot. You've got to move this robot over there. You've got to reprogram the robot. You've got to put new tools in the robot. All of that may take days or weeks to get set up to move this robot over here to do a different function. Whereas you just tell this worker here, go over there. In 3 minutes, he's over there with a different tool in his hand. And he can come back or go someplace else with another tool.